What if, guys? What if you could get a motorcycle similar to the one behind me here for just $9,000 as an MSRP? That's right, the brand new CFMoto 800 MT adventure motorcycle. Now that KTM is producing the 890 motor for all of their street and adventure motorcycles in that mid-level category, CFMoto has been given the okay to produce their very own adventure motorcycle. It's going to be called the CFMoto 800 MT. With production of this motorcycle slated for Q2 of 2021, there should be 800 MTs rolling off the production line at any time now. Now, pricing is rumored to be at the low side of the ADV bike market, putting it right in there with the Yamaha Tenere 700. Now, this is going to be the highest performing motorcycle to ever be produced from a Chinese manufacturer. Now, yes, that same factory produces the KTM 790 and 890 motors that are put into the KTM motorcycles, but this is going to be the first time an actual Chinese manufacturer has produced their own motorcycle with this much power. They're using the LC8c, the 790cc parallel twin from KTM, that has 95 horsepower and 57 foot-pounds of torque. Now, the bike is going to weigh in at 509 pounds without luggage or fluids, and 547 pounds wet with luggage. Now, it's the bike's technology rather than performance that makes it the real landmark for Chinese motorcycle manufacturing. The 800 MT has adopted Bosch's cornering ABS and traction control, along with a suite of electronics, including a 7-inch IPS display, keyless start, heated grips, heated seat, built-in navigation. That's right, this bike is going to come with a 7-inch display, all color with built-in navigation from the factory. Now, what else are we going to see from this motorcycle for less than $10,000? Well, there are some significant differences from that of the 790, 890 platform. While the 800 MT is going to use KTM steel tube frame, it is going to have its very own unique swing arm made out of aluminum. It's going to have a standard up-top fuel tank, and the seat height is going to be lower than any of KTM's current versions. When it comes to suspension, it's rumored that it might have WP suspension or potentially KYB suspension. We don't quite know yet. Now, when it comes to the CFMoto 800 MT, there are going to be two different versions, a more street-oriented version with cast wheels, or there will be a spoked wheel option for those who want to venture off-road. Now, CFMoto's been in the moto industry for quite a long time. I think it was 2020 when they partnered up with KTM and started producing a slew of their motors. Now, I'm curious, how many of you would actually purchase a CFMoto adventure motorcycle instead of the KTM version of that motorcycle? Is that $4,000 to $5,000 swing going to be enough to sway you to go for the Chinese model versus the KTM model? It's an interesting question, and I'm curious to see what you guys have to say. Anyhow, I'm Bradshaw. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, take care and take care.